Right guys, okay, so if you're making a passport and you're going to go to Hajj, umrah, and you're going to go through Pakistan, you're going to need to make a Pakistani passport. So the first thing you need to do, your photocopying's done over there. The courts are over here, so it's located in Atak where the courts are. The courts are where you'd go towards the bazaar. You turn left instead of turning right where the big bakery is. So you'll park your car over here. Remember, it's no parking here. The police are there and you'll end up getting your car towed away. So it's important that you find somewhere safe to park. Certainly not where these two cars are. If you park your car there, guys, you're going to get your car towed, okay? That's the famous bakery. I forgot the name of it. I'll tell you in a few moments. Anyway, you'll come here and you'll get your passport made over here. Over here, they charge you a fee. There's two types. There's two options. So there's an urgent, non-urgent. Non-urgent is 4 months. Urgent is 2 weeks, just short of 2 weeks. Now in terms of cost, it's 3,500 for the non-urgent, and the other one costs, it's just cost me now 15,200. That's 7.5 grand, 7,000. So it's double the cost, where you get your passport back, where you get your passport made in a week. So over here, you'll come here, the admin fee, everything they charge is all included in the paper. You come here, you'll need your ID cards over here. So once you present your ID cards, they fill in your documentation. Then it goes to here. You take the documentation over here and you submit it there. So once it's gone through there, it's processed. So there's no other person you need to meet. The people that you need to deal with are the people over here. That man there, the one in the blue sort of clothing, sat there next to the PC, he's the one that does all the work for you. So he pushes the paper for you. Then you take the paper here, you take it inside, you submit it there. You've paid the fee, so there's nothing else to pay. Nothing else to pay. Once that's done, you then got to pick up the documentation when it's ready for collection, which they'll let you know.